Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I'm going to try to make this quick. Found a couple of interesting things within my cleaning up outside. I found my birdcage awl. A birdcage awl is basically usually a square shaft awl that you keep sharp, and you can start screws or drill small holes with that. I found an interesting old knife steel for sharpening knives. Could be used as a burnisher for scrapers. And then I found this spoke shave that, because it doesn't have a blade, it will never spoke or shave or speak of shaving. I got to find a blacksmith that makes spoke shaves, send this to them, and have them fit it with a blade. That would be a nice addition to the workshop. And on to the calipers. Part of my friend's collection included calipers. One of his passions, like one of my passions, was wood turning. And wood turning requires the use of calipers. Okay, the oldest caliper I have is this one. There is no adjustment. It is simply used by pulling it apart, either using a ruler or using a master, something you want it to match. Let's say I want to match that diameter right there. That's what you do, and you're set. As long as you don't squeeze that dimension will remain there. Now, my primary use for this one was in determining the thickness of bowls. So because of the deep throat on this, I could get into some very large bowls and then squeeze it down and find out where the thickest section was and see where I had to take more off. The key to wood turning a bowl from a green blank of wood is even thickness and no fat bottoms. We don't like fat bottoms. So there's that one. But this was also used by machinists. This is one by the Starrett Corporation. And this has a nut which can be tightened and made as snug as needed. And what you would do is sometimes you'd go from a drawing, you'd set it, and then you'd go to your piece. There is no question it would match. So calipers are used by many different trades: metalworking, woodworking, even masonry and carving for dimensioning 3D objects. From these older style, the next one would be the spring head. These are spring loaded, and they have a threaded rod with a nut on it or a turn knob, and you adjusted it accordingly. And my friend apparently, like myself, believed in the old adage, you can never have enough calipers. He had the 6-inch, the 3-inch, the 4-inch. This was the one I kept in my lathe most of the time. This was the next innovation in design, and this is a split nut. Okay. It makes it as a quick release. Okay? And then you can fine adjust it, the knob. You want to close it at night, at the end of the day, you just close it all the way, and you close. So these were from my lathe tools. Then, for those woodworkers, wood turners, who absolutely need to know the dimension of the thickness of the wall of the wood bowl, they invented gauges. This is calibrated from 0 to 2 inches by 30 seconds, and it's called Gauge It. And what you would do is you would take this and you would slip it in on the edge of your bowl, and you go all the way through until you found your thickest section. And then you could read here and it would say, okay, we're at 5/8 of an inch, or we're at a 1/2 inch. All right, so you could get an actual measurement. And this has reasonably good accuracy. But not to be outdone, our friends in Canada Veritas came up with this one. It's kind of interesting. And this could actually be used in the woodworking workshop. You loosen the turn knob and it is spring loaded. So you would go in on your bowl, you find out what the thickness is. When you get to the thickest part, you would lock it, and then you could read your measurement. Now, I see this as a benefit for when thicknessing wood. Zingo bingo, I know that that board is, it's a 1/2 inch plus a 32nd. So 17 32seconds. But I can also get that with the vernier caliper. Same dimension. So it's funny that this is a caliper and this is a caliper. But basically all it is, it's measuring the distance between 2 points. That's about it for now. Calipers. You can never have too many calipers. If you need calipers, contact me. I'm going to be digging through the rest of mine. Way too many calipers. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.